Review for the Carepeutic Ozone Waterfall Foot and Leg Spa Bath Massager, a tradition for foot reflexology. So this is the pamphlet, what it looks like. I'm doing a really quick review. This is the on and off button. The massage is just the rollers you see moving down here. The air bubbles, what you see the bubbling. Temp up and down. The heating. The modes, the drainage, and as you can see, it tells you the time left, how many degrees, the different modes, and basically each of these functions is down here, you see. Basically, it opens up. This is the lid. When it closes, fold it down. This is a waterfall up here. The jet is down there. And this is where you put like the bath salts if you want. But you could just throw the bath salts like right in there. So excuse my feet right now. Red lights for the heat. And it's pretty good. Worth the price, power cord. So other than that, it's a pretty good price. It does definitely its job. I had no problems heating up. And this is just a really quick review since I have it out. But if you have any questions or concerns, just hit me up. I'll definitely make another video showing like the actual everything without the water and with the water. And that's about it. So hope you guys like this review, even though it's super quick. I just want everybody to kind of see it for itself. Alright, bye. It's Kay. Toodles. One love.